How can you get rid of cockroaches instantly without using poison and without spending a single penny? The answer might be right here in your kitchen. Hi, it's great to see you again on Clever Tricks. Cockroaches are common insects, but they are extremely annoying. They reproduce quickly, are excellent at hiding, and can survive in the harshest environments. With just a little leftover food, they can appear everywhere in your house. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. But don't worry. In today's video, I'll share a simple, easy-to-do, yet incredibly effective method to get rid of cockroaches. What's special is that we'll be using flour, something cockroaches love, to create a homemade recipe that's both economical and effectively solves the problem. If you're also having trouble with cockroaches, watch until the end of this video. Now, to make this recipe that can kill cockroaches in your house instantly, we'll first need flour. Yes, that's flour, okay? We'll use 2 tablespoons of flour. Next, you'll need baking powder. Yes, baking powder. It absolutely has to be baking powder. We'll use 1 tablespoon. I'll take a smaller spoonful here. Okay, 1 full spoonful of baking powder. Put it in here. Now you will mix this mixture thoroughly. Please tell me which country you're watching this video from so I can send you a very special hug. This is the recipe I use at home, and I decided to make this video because my house is cockroach-free. No matter how clean your house is, cockroaches can still crawl in through the drains, right? They can appear unexpectedly. And this formula works on both German cockroaches, the smaller kind, and larger sewer cockroaches, including the flying ones, those flying cockroaches. Therefore, mix thoroughly. After mixing, you'll now need the cement. Yes, cement. If you don't have any, buy some. You only need a very small amount. Look, a small spoon like this is enough. This formula is also very effective for killing rats. You'll understand why in a moment. Continue mixing thoroughly. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After mixing thoroughly, what do you do next? You can use a piece of paper or small plates. But those have to be discs you no longer use. Alternatively, you can also use small aluminum foil bowls. What will you do? You will take some of this mixture and put it here. I will divide it into 2 parts. Because this recipe yields quite a lot of finished products. What will happen? Cockroaches and rats will eat everything. Anything you put out there, they'll eat. When a cockroach comes here and eats this mixture, it will consume it as if it were normal food. But what will happen is, because of the baking powder and cement, this mixture will harden in the cockroach's stomach. Cockroaches and mice are both small in size and have very fast digestive systems. This mixture will turn into a rock-hard mass in their intestines, in their stomachs. They will be unable to digest it and will eventually die immediately. Thus, in a way that doesn't require the use of poison, you can get rid of cockroaches and mice from your home. You can place this mixture in corners of the house, in the yard, for those with plants, or in the kitchen in hidden corners. This mixture is not harmful to dogs and cats because its smell is not attractive to them. For dogs and cats, which have a more sensitive sense of smell, this scent doesn't appeal to them. But today, I'm going to show you a surprisingly simple way. No toxic sprays needed, no troublesome sticky traps, just a spoonful of mustard from your kitchen. Why do cockroaches fear mustard? Mustard has a very strong, pungent smell. For humans, it's just a little pungent. But for cockroaches, it's a dangerous smell, just smelling it. Their nervous system is intensely stimulated, they lose their bearings, and run away immediately. Today, I will show you how to use mustard to repel cockroaches, helping to keep your house cleaner without using harmful chemicals. First, prepare the mustard. Add about 1 teaspoon of mustard to a clean bowl. Next, add 3 to 5 milliliters of dish soap. Dish soap helps the solution adhere better to the surface, while also breaking down the protective oil layer on the cockroach's body, deterring them from returning. Next, add enough warm water. Then stir well. Warm water helps to disperse the pungent smell of mustard more effectively, increasing its repellent properties. Cover the bowl tightly and let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the active ingredients to fully blend. After soaking, filter the solution. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pour it into a small spray bottle for easy use. If you don't have one, you can use a clean plastic bottle and poke a few small holes in the cap. Focus the spray on areas where cockroaches commonly appear: kitchen corners, cabinet crevices, under the sink, around drains, under cabinets, under tables, garbage bin area. These places are often damp, dark, and smell of food, making them ideal hiding places for cockroaches. When cockroaches crawl through the sprayed area, the pungent smell of mustard will make them uncomfortable, disoriented, and automatically leave, not daring to return to build a nest. Spray regularly for a few days, and you'll see a significant reduction in cockroaches. Your kitchen will also be cleaner and more pleasant. If you don't want to spray it all over the house, you can use a simpler method. Prepare a clean bowl. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Baking soda is alkaline. Cockroaches' digestive systems cannot process this substance, so when they ingest it, they experience internal imbalances and quickly weaken. Next, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of white sugar. Sugar acts as bait because cockroaches are particularly attracted to the taste of sweetness. Then, add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder. Mustard has a distinctive pungent smell. When cockroaches come into contact with or ingest it, it causes irritation, discomfort, impaired function, and drives them away from their living area. Mix baking soda, sugar, and mustard together until you have a dry powder mixture. The powder form allows the mixture to easily adhere to the cockroach's legs and body, which they can then carry back to their nest. When other cockroaches in the nest come into contact with or eat it, the effect spreads further. Place the mixture in a small dish or container lid. Place them in places where cockroaches commonly appear, such as kitchen cabinet corners, under the sink, near the trash can, wall crevices under the stove. Cockroaches will be attracted by the smell of sugar, come into contact with the mixture, and gradually disappear. In just a few days, you will see a significant reduction in the number of cockroaches without using any harmful chemicals. This method is simple, produces less odor, is more environmentally friendly, and is suitable for families with young children or pets, though it should still be kept out of reach. If you enjoyed this content, please click the button below to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. I hope you found this helpful. Sending you a hug, God bless you, and see you in the next video.